Is your laptop running slow or lagging while working, studying, or gaming? Don't worry, this video is for you. Many people face the issue of slow laptop performance, especially after months of usage. Temporary files, unnecessary startup programs, and background processes can make your system sluggish. In this video, we'll show you 2 simple steps to speed up your laptop and make it run smoother without installing any extra software. Step 1. Disable startup programs. First, go to your taskbar and right-click on it. Then select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on the Startup tab. Here you'll see a list of programs that automatically start when your laptop turns on. Disable all the programs that you don't need at startup by right-clicking on each and selecting Disable. This helps reduce the load on your system and makes it boot up faster and run more smoothly. Step 2. Delete temporary files. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run command box. Type %temp% and hit Enter. This will open a folder containing all the temporary files your system no longer needs. Press Ctrl+R to select all the files, then right-click and choose Delete. After that, press Windows plus R again, type temp and hit Enter. Repeat the same process, select all files and delete them permanently. These files take up unnecessary space and deleting them will free up storage and boost performance.